Breaking news!
Section 9.2 Pythagorean Theorem, Section 9.3 Pythagorean Converse, and Section 9.4 Special Right Triangles.
Section 9.2.
In a right triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of which is square of the lengths of the legs. Summed up means c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Which you can also say as leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse. That is the Pythagorean theorem. Your 7 has one leg, x has another leg, and then 14 for your hypotenuse. Then you do 14 squared equals 7 squared plus x squared. And then you do 196 equals 49 plus x squared. Then you take 49 and subtract it out. You got 49. Then it'd be 147 equals x squared. Then you would take the square root of 147 to get 12.1235565, sum down to 12.12. Alright, Pythagorean triple is a set of three positive integers a, b, and c that satisfy c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Pretty much saying that Pythagorean triple is just saying if the two legs squared equals the hypotenuse squared, then it is a Pythagorean triple. Section 9.2 questions. Section 9.2 answers.
Section 9.3.
First, the Pythagorean theorem. So if c squared equals a squared plus b squared is a right triangle, then if the sum of a squared plus b squared is greater than the sum of c, the hypotenuse, then it is an acute triangle. But if c is greater than the sum of a squared plus b squared, it is an obtuse triangle. Numbers 20, 99, and 101. Knowing that the hypotenuse is the longest length, it would be 101 squared equals 99 squared plus 20 squared. So that's 10,000 equals 9,801 plus 4,000. Equals 10,201. But since they don't equal, since the sum of a squared plus b squared is larger than a hypotenuse, then it is an obtuse triangle. So 26 would be the hypotenuse. So 10 squared plus 17 squared equals 26 squared. So, since the sum of a squared plus b squared is less than the hypotenuse squared, the triangle would be acute.
Section 9.3 questions. Section 9.3 answers.
Section 9.4.
Special right triangles are triangles with a 45, 45, 90 degree angle interior angle, or a triangle that has a 60, 30, 90 interior degree angles. On a 45, 45, 90 degree angle, the two legs are going to be the same, so they're going to be x. And then the hypotenuse is x times the square root of 2. On a 60, 30, 90 degree triangle, one of the legs is x, the other leg is x radical 3, and then the hypotenuse is 2 times the leg. Okay, here's our example for a 45, 45, 90 triangle. We are going to find the hypotenuse. So, since the legs are the same, we're going to do leg times radical 2 equals x. The leg is 5, and then we multiply that by radical 2, and we get 5 radical 2. And 5 radical 2 is our answer. 30, 60, 90 triangle, we have 5 as the one leg, and y is the hypotenuse, and x is the other leg. To find the hypotenuse, we have to do 5 times 2, which equals 10, and y equals 10. And to find the other leg, we have to do 5 times radical 3, which equals 5 radical 3. Section 9.4 questions. Section 9.4 answers.
Helpful links. By Hannah Pridemore, Melanie Brooks, Danielle Berger, Accelerated Geometry, Period 3.
If you got them all right, you're not stupid. Yay!